guys, it's me, Rob Nichols here, and today I'm at a project my team and I are managing in the Roxbury neighborhood of Boston, Massachusetts. It's a fire job, folks, and so anytime you're working with a home that has caught on fire, this video really is about showcasing the first way you handle securing it so that work can be done to rehab it. Now, we haven't purchased this home yet. We've just been contracted out. I'm a licensed contractor, and we've been contracted out to manage the first phase of construction here, which is just to make it safe, secure it, put in some temporary walls, put a new roof on it. You can see right here what we're working with. It's crazy. Let's check it out. Here is the house, folks. We had a serious fire that displaced 21 people. All the adjacent properties are attached, so when it rains right now, the water comes in from the top, goes down to the bottom, and guess where else? It dissipates all the way across several of these buildings. It's really created a hazard to the point where the city's condemned it. When you see that red X, it's not safe to be inhabited by anyone right now. And my guys are in here getting it ready to be shored up, made safe, and then we'll figure out what's gonna happen next with it. But let's check it out. Because it's in such disrepair, we can't enter through the front of the house. So got to go around the back as the front has been nailed shut. Stairs are not safe, they're collapsing actually. If you look, you'll see inside. I'll show you what's going on. But yeah, it's definitely not a good look, not a good situation. And when it comes to these types of projects, guys, it's really all about safety first. It's fall, but it feels like winter. This morning I woke up, it's October, and it's 28 degrees in Boston. Whew, it's brisk, baby. But it is what it is. Can't stop the grind. So here's the back of the property. Also red X means condemned, not safe to live in. Not by a long shot. Alrighty. Check out the inside. These guys are diligently working in here. Oh, sorry, man. Thanks. As you can see, pretty rough shape. What's going on? Just taking a quick video here, showcasing what's going on, what we're working with. This floor is totally destroyed. The water does most of the damage when you have a fire job. A lot of mold, as you can see. So this is underneath the front stairs. This is why I didn't go in the front, guys. That is what's holding up the front stairs right now. Not safe at all. So we're gonna get that repointed, build a temporary wall in front of it, and shore it up. So we're on the third floor now. Structurally, it's not too bad up here. Really, where the work needs to get done, is on this third floor stairwell, which, as you can see, has tons of fire debris on it. You can see here. You can see to the outside. Oh, man. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Our objective here is to make this thing safe to be walked through, and for guys to be able to work in here once this house is shored up and structurally sound. Hope you found this helpful. If you're digging what I'm putting down and you're feeling my videos, please feel free to subscribe, share, like it, love it. Let folks know. It's all about educating folks. You know, in this particular video, it's all about educating you on how to safely work on a fire damaged property. And stay tuned for more as the journey continues. Have a great day.